Hello everyone and welcome back. Alright, I have a lock here that I just had a ton of fun picking, and of course I wish I had the camera going, but this is actually my first time picking open a GeGe. This is a 6-pin GeGe Euros cylinder, and this is actually my first time picking open on a lock pinned by the Crispey Bear, which is really cool. And I gotta say, my friend, you did an awesome job on this lock. I was getting tons of feedback. Everybody's talking. Some nice fall sets, a lot of counter rotation. You had me going back and forth there for a while. Did a really awesome job with this lock. But this is the bidding on the key. Pretty decent bidding. And we are going to zoom this up. And we are going to try to get this lock open again for you guys. And we will see what he put in it. Okay, I'm going to go with top of the keyway. Just 40 thousandths. And there's some play in this core. And we can work from the bottom of this lock. So we're going to go with this Lunatic from Sparrows. Got some nice reach to it. And let's see what we got here, guys. Alright, pin 1. Counter rotation. Okay, got a little movement on the core there. Counter rotation on 2. Okay. A little click from 3. A little more counter. Another click. Okay, 3 clicks from 3. He feels good. Some counter here on 4. Couple little clicks from 4. I think I'm feeling a little counter back there on 6. Actually, I might have moved him a little bit. I just got another little click off of 3. Okay, I think we have to work with number 6. Ooh. Alright, that wasn't good at all. Pretty sure I dropped some pins. Okay, that was 2 I just clicked off of. Back to 1. Back to 3. So we dropped a lot of pins on that number 6. Alright, one more click from 3. Counter on 5. Okay, we got a pretty good fall set there. And we're open on 2. Awesome. Yeah, that is a fun lock. For sure. Nice job, Crispey Bear. Alright, let's see what he put in it for us. Okay, if we have a key, we can lock this back up. We will grab my pinning tray here. And we will get this clip off. Maybe. Okay, this is gonna be a troublesome clip. Let me try these from West Coast Pick, see if we could push this off. out hurting ourselves. Oh, and that went flying. Oh, there it is. I see it. The flying clip. Many of those. Alright, let's see. Where'd the key go? Here it is. This is a very long cylinder. We are not going to be shimming this, unfortunately, which really stinks. I hate doing that, but alright, we're gonna have to take our chances, guys. Alright, we got it. Okay, there's only 5 pins in here. I thought maybe there was 6, but there's 5. Alright, you can see we have some nice work there, some nice spoolage. Alright, and everything needed to be picked. And he's got some work done there too. Alright, let's dump these. And we will check it out. Pin 1 is a double spool, and the bottom spool is actually a mushroom spool. Alright, let me grab my tweezers here. That pin didn't want to come out. That is a nicely serrated type of spool. Serrations in there. Come on. These pins are tough to come out. Wow. We have another serrated type of spool. Very small serrated in 4. And looks like, wow, that's a nice pin. Spool to a serrated, nice. Alright, here in the core, I think that's factory counter milling in 1. Nope, nothing there in 1. We got some threading in 2, threading in 3, 4, and 5. Alright, let's see what we have up here. Pin 1, 1, 2, serrated, I imagine. That would be serrated, kind of spoolish, but more serrated. A nice long, is that a brass spring or copper? Ooh. That one came popping out, but it came out like that. Double spool. Another long, I think those are brass, it could be steel. Another nice pin. Spoolage, serrations, a little bit of everything in that pin. Okay, all the springs I believe are going to be the same. We have one of those barrel pins. Commercial barrel pin type. Trying to pull that spring. Yep, all the springs are the same. Last but not least, number 5 is another awesome pin. Nice little serrations, kind of a spool at the end. That's the way it came out though. It's kind of like a T-pin on top, but that's the way it came out. And there is an actual wafer right there for that. Maybe to make it into a spoolie type. Alright, and last but not least, that last spring. And I think he just went flying somewhere, but it is the same. Oh, there he is. Nice. Alright, let me just take a peek in here real quick. I don't think he's done anything in there. Nope. This is a 6-pin body, but only a 5-pin core. That's why I thought it was 6 pins. But yeah, alright, let's take a look at these pins, guys. Got some awesome pins here. Alright, number one, we have it's a double spool, but the bottom spool here is kind of like a mushroom spool. Very sharp edge on the top of that one. This one here is all spooled out, but a bunch of little serrations in the middle of it. Really nice pin. This one here, we have a nicely serrated in 3. Another nicely serrated here in 4. And then this really cool pin here in 5. Guess that would be a double spool. Kind of like spooled down here a little bit too. Pretty cool. Awesome. Then up here we have a serrated pin in 1. Double spool in 2. Then we have this really cool pin. No, it's kind of like serrated, maybe spooled, a little spoolish in there, a little bit of everything. And then we have this barrel type pin, a couple wide serrations there. That is a commercial pin. And then we have this really cool serrated to a T-pin type here on the top with a little wafer. And all the springs are the same. But a very, very fun lock to pick. Really fun. Alright. Good job, Crispey Bear. That was, like I said, that was a blast to pick. Alright guys, yeah. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks guys. Bye.